Right now, investigators are trying to find more potential victims of an Orlando hospital worker accused of seducing children online. Detectives say the suspect, this man, Aaron Starbird, was caught after reaching out to what he thought was a teenage boy who was really with law enforcement. West 2's Bob Hazen tells us evidence on the phone suggests there could be more victims.
This duplex is where the suspect lived, and investigators say he brought at least one victim here. They believe there could also be dozens of more victims. 44-year-old Aaron Starbird worked at South Lake Hospital in Claremont as a systems specialist pharmacy technician, and his potential access to children patients there worried investigators. Last year, an Orange County Sheriff's Office employee posing as a 15-year-old boy on a hookup website got messages from a man asking to meet up, and investigators tracked that back to Starbird. They questioned him and say he claimed he only likes adults. But his phone told a different story. They allegedly found almost 80 images of child sexual abuse material and conversations with other people on Telegram about raping kids. In one of those messages, Starbird allegedly, quote, discussed prior instances of hands-on rape of male children and stated he preferred children between the ages of 10 and 12. The sheriff's office called in the FBI because of his job, but the arrest report does not say there's any evidence that kids from the hospital were abused. No one answered the door at Starbird's home in East Orlando. Investigators say they have identified and talked to one sexual abuse victim, and he said he was 14 when he met Starbird online back in 2024 and came back to his house. They think there are many more victims. The feds say they found, quote, evidence of at least 30 other children whom they believe have engaged in sexual acts with Starbird after communicating with him online. Orlando Health told us Starbird no longer works for the hospital and he's being held in jail with no bond. Covering Orange County and Orlando, Bob Hazen, West 2 News.